In this tutorial, we're going to be working on this search users page. And so in this, we want to be able to search a user's name and click their name down here, which will lead us to this page over here so we can type them a message. And so let's get into it. First of all, the search users page. First of all, the search bar right here is going to need to be a delegate of this page right here, so that we can get all the search bar methods and use it in our search users VC class. So we're going to go to that, and then we're going to also put a UI search bar delegate, and so that should be able to bring all the search bar methods. When we type in search bar, we're going to use did cancel, we're going to use search bar text did begin editing, and we're going to use search bar, let's see what else we get. We'll say search button clicked. Alright, so search bar is going to be like this. So if we press the search bar, we want to just dismiss this keyboard. So to do that, you just resign the first responder, that would be the keyboard. And so you go to search, it's cancel button click. You're gonna want to you're gonna go search bar dot. Actually, you're gonna go self dot resign first responder, and then you're gonna do search bar dot text equals that empty string just to clear the text. And you're also gonna do that. You could just copy this and put it in search bar click, and then text did begin editing. For here, we're just going to return one cell, and then so when and then we're just going to do a variable right here. We're going to call this the to username, and so far it's just going to be an empty string. And so when you begin editing a text, you're going to do the self.to username is going to be what that text is. So you could do search bar dot text, and then we want that to show up in our table right here. So for search view, we're going to go to our table view, cell for row at index path. And so we're going to do cell for row. We're going to do cell dot the text label dot text. It's going to be equal to that self dot to username. And so when this text does change, we're going to bring our table view. We're actually going to get a reference to that table view. So we're going to go to our assistant editor. This is in manual. Put it back to automatic. Did that right there. And we're going to drag this table view right here. It's going to say search table view. Oh, I accidentally did it too high. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes I want you to put it here. So search table view, and connect that like that. And so every time a user types in some new text, we need to update our table. So that's in the text did begin editing. So we're going to go to self dot search table view, and we're just going to do reload data and save. Now let's run our app and see if everything is going as planned. So we're going to go to our search users, and then we're going to type in something. We're going to type in text, and so far, for some reason, it is not actually updating. So the problem was we actually got to change this to and save this here, but it's not did beginning editing. It's actually search bar text did change. So here's text did change. Delete that and add that in there like this. Now let's try this one more time, and let's pray that this works, which it will, I think. There's nothing there. Start typing, and there's that. And it still clicks over to that page. Yep, so that looks right. And so we'll just work on that second page now.